Come on in.
Hey, how's it going? I'm the plumber.
Great, my shower's dripping. It's right around the corner.
No problem, man. We'll have it fixed in a jiffy.
Stop piling on and use the new Zip Seat Extractor.
Great news! I was able to rebuild your Symmons valve with the brand new Zip Seat Extractor.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Yay! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wouldn't you want all your customers looking like this? The new Zip Seat Extractor removes seats and Symmons valves every single time. Don't look like a fool with a $30 tool.